Okay, good morning, class 10. This is a totally new chapter, that is arithmetic and the geometric progression. So today is your part 1 video from exercise 9.1. Okay. Before we start the chapter, first of we learn the basic concept, what is arithmetic progression. After then, we sort out for the geometric progression. So a list of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Okay, except the first term is called arithmetic progression. Suppose there are lots of numbers given 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, etc. Clearly, you see there is a fixed number. That's 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. That means what? There is a fixed number adding to the preceding term and the number increasing. Okay. So the first number is denoted by A. The first term denoted by A. Okay. And the D for the difference term. What is the difference between two numbers? So the formula for the difference term, D denoted for difference term, difference. And how we calculate the difference? That is A2 minus A1. That means second term of AP. This is second term of AP minus first term of AP. So we know what the distance, to find out what the difference between the two terms. This is first term, this is second term, third term, fourth term. So difference between two terms is always equal in AP. Okay. So, and more formulas we read. Find for the general term. What are the formula to find the general term? General term, what do you mean by general term? The general term means, suppose this number is given first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Suddenly the question asks about what are the 38 terms of it. That means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are the 38 terms? That means you are not writing the up to the 38 term. No, just a normal formula to calculate what are the 38 terms. So the formula for the general term AN means what the term asking. Suppose it is asking about the 38 term. So in place of N, you write down 38. Okay. So I am writing N for the which number of term. Formula is A plus N minus 1. Again I repeat, A for the first term. What the first term written in the question, plus N means which term question asks, minus 1 into D. This is the general term. Okay. Suppose last term of an infinite AP, last term or in question last term is given. Suppose last term is question is given about last term is given 200. Suppose 200 is given. Okay. So from last term you calculate the third term or the fourth term from the last term. Question is clearly mentioned that calculate the third term or fourth term or 50 term, whatever, from the last term. So last term, if I question about finding about the last term, what are the formula? Last term of a finite AP, L equals to A plus N minus 1 D. Okay. Note the formula. And one more formula, difference of any two terms. Okay, only note on this two formula. And one more thing you note out, that suppose no numbers are given, just you find out the what are the numbers and what kind of AP. Whenever you let AP, so what are the three numbers are taken. Suppose if you taking AP, so let, if you taking any number let, so in AP you always take three number as A minus D, A plus D. This is the way to take any AP as letting. You let X with the number, let Y with the number. So any three numbers you let in the AP, this is the form A minus D, A and A plus D. 4 number, suppose you let 4 number, that is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Okay. 5 number, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. Clear? Okay. And for the middle term, suppose we know that suppose there are fourth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In odd number process, this is your middle number. Okay. In odd number, you usually find out this is the middle number. But in this question, these two numbers are your middle number. So for calculating middle number in AP, for odd, I am talking about middle number. Okay. Middle number. So for odd, formula is n plus 1 by 2 term, and for even, n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1. Okay, n by 2 term and n by 2 plus 1 term. That means two number. We know that for odd number one middle term, so we calculate one middle term, but for even number two middle terms. So first one this one and second one this one. Okay, note. So today we start from exercise 9.1, very easy, and this chapter is seriously very easy chapter. In first number question 1 is given 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, dot. Okay. Write the first term and the common difference. Write the first term and the common difference. What are the difference between two number and the first term? So we know that the first one is your first term. So A is called first term. So first term is 3. And the D for difference between two number. What the formula? Second one minus first one. So second one, that is formula is A2 minus A1. That is second term minus first term. So second term 1 and first term is 3. So the difference between both is minus 2. Okay. Note. Okay. Question number 2. A is 10 given and difference is 10. That means the first term of AP is 10 and the difference between the two AP is also given 10. Write the four more numbers. So if first one is 10, second one is 10 plus 10, that is 20. Third one is 20 plus 10, because we know that what are the processing of AP? Just you add the difference in the preceding number. What the preceding number? Here the preceding number is 10. So you add the difference 10, that is 20. This is the preceding number 20 plus 10, 30. This is 30 plus 10. So your answer the AP is 10, 20, 30, 40. Because question is given first term is 10 and the difference between all the AP is 10. So 10, 20. See the difference 10. Again you see the difference 10 and again is 10. Okay. Note. One more question. Question number 2, subpart 3, that is A is 4 and D is minus 3. A is 4 and D is minus 3. We know that we just add the difference. So 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 minus 3. We know now what the rules for AP, that we just add the difference in the preceding term. So the preceding term is 4 and the difference is given minus 3. So 4 plus minus 3 is minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1, this is the preceding term 1. So again for the third term, you add the difference. What the difference? Minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So minus 2 minus 3. So what the APs come? 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. You see there is difference of all this number is minus 3. Difference between the first number is 4 and the difference between the two number is minus 3. Again minus 3, again minus 3. Okay. Now it's time for exercise 2, 9.2. Okay. So the first question 9.2, find the AP. Find the AP whose nth term is 7 minus 3n, and also find the 20th term 20th term. Clear? This is your n term. N term means an is given minus 73. Just you find the AP. AP means the question. What the question? So for first term, when you use the first term, that means in n place you write down 1 because you finding this is n term. Okay. If you writing for the first term set, that means in place of n you write down first 1. 7 minus 3 in place of again you write down 1. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So the first term of AP is 4. For the second term, A2, 7 minus 3 in place of n you write down 2. So 7 minus 6 is 1. A3 term, 7 minus 3 into 3, that is 7 minus 9, it's minus 2 term. Fourth term, 7 minus 3 into 4, 7 minus 2, that is minus 5th term. So AP is 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5 is the AP. So the first topic is complete. But now also find the 20th term. We know now what the general formula to find the any term. So the general formula is what? An equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. An in place of n we write on 20 because we find the 20 term. A means first number. We know that the first number is 4. And which term? 20 term minus 1. D means difference. How we calculate the difference? We know the rule of difference is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 1 and A1 is 4. That means second term is 1 and first term is 4. So for D is minus 3. So in place of D we write down minus 3. So 820 equals to 4 plus 19 into minus 3. So equals to 4 minus 57. That is minus 53. Okay, note. Now the third number question. Find the nth term and the 12th term of the list number. Five, comma 2, comma minus 1, comma minus 4, and dash dash is going on. Just find the nth term. The formula general term we know that an equals to a plus n minus 1d. That means n term in place of n we write down again n because n is not mentioned. Which term? So a is 5 because we know that a is first term. And in place of again we write down n and d. D means difference. So difference means a2 minus a1. You see 2 minus 5 that is minus 3. Okay. So D is minus 3. So an equals to 5 minus 3 into n is minus 3n minus minus plus is 3. So an equals to 8 minus 3n. This is your n formula. An formula. Okay, n. But in the next question is the 12th term. So find the 12th term. We know that the formula n equals to a plus n minus 1d. So in place of n we write out 12. Okay, because 12th term a is 5 plus in place of n we write out 12 minus 1 and d is minus 3. So that is 5 plus 11 minus 3. So 5 minus 33 that is minus 28. Okay, note. Question number 6. Question is given, which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? That is, question is given 3, 8, 13, 18, dash, dash, dash is 78. That means question is going. You know that this is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is first term. So 78 is which term? For the general term, we know that the formula that is an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that now. This is the general formula to find out the term. But if the answer is given and we don't know which term it is, that is 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, what it is. Okay, so first of all, A is 3 because first term is given, and difference we know that formula is second term minus first term. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So the term is given. That term is, the answer is given. The general term is given 78, but it is which term? That is we don't know about the n. What n? So in place of A we write down 3, and we don't know that is which term it is, -1, and D is 5. Okay. We always use this formula to find out the answer about the 20th term, 38th term, but is the time answer is given and we don't know which term it is, so n is missing here. So 78, this plus 3 coming, this is minus 3 equals to n minus 1, 5. This is 75, this 5 coming here, because multiply from here, divide n minus 1. This is 15 equals to n minus 1. So 15 minus 1 comes as plus 1. So therefore n equals to 16 term. So 16 term of this AP is 78. Okay. Note.